Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue of the taskbar calendar not opening on Windows 11. And now let's get started. If your Windows 11 taskbar calendar is not opening when you click on it, do not worry. We have a few effective solutions to get it working again. Our first method involves restarting File Explorer, which can often resolve minor glitches. To do this, open the Task Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar. Once the Task Manager is open, locate Windows Explorer in the list of processes. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select the Restart option. If restarting File Explorer does not solve the problem, the next step is to run a System File Checker scan. This tool checks for and repairs corrupted system files that might be causing the issue. To begin, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and make sure to select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter. The scan will begin, and it may take some time to complete. As a final troubleshooting step, ensure that your Windows is up to date, as updates often include fixes for known bugs. To check for updates, right-click on the Start button and choose Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Windows Update section. On the right side, you will see a button that says Check for Updates. Click on this button to see if any new updates are available, and install them if there are. Hope this was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.